Hi, my name is Muhammad Saifullah bin Abdul Aziz. My metric number is CD210029.
Hi, my name is Anwar bin Mahmud. My matrix number is CD210264.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Fakrul Hakim bin Ahmad. My matrix number is CD210305. So we continue our group presentation. First, introduction. A double cone is made by joining two right circular cones at their base. The double cone moves up when it is placed near the base of an inclined triangular track. The upward motion of the double cone is fascinating and counterintuitive. It appears to move against gravity. Hence, it is also called anti-gravity double cone. We will explore this counterintuitive motion of the double cone. So, for example, the formula is Fx equal to x squared, or Fx equal to sine x plus 2 square root x. So I will pass to my friend to elaborate more about the theoretical description.
So I will continue about theoretical description. This happens because the diverging structure enables the center of gravity of the double cone to go down, whereas at the same time the double cone itself climb up the rails. In this case, the center of gravity of the double cone is lowered more by the diverging structure than it is raised by the climbing process. We see the cone as if it has been sliced vertically and lengthwise. Again, we see the center of gravity G as well as the points P and Q, where the top surface of the two rails meet the double cone. The point G1, P1 and Q1 are the projection of these 3 points to go to the ground. The angle is half of the angle at the apex of the cone. Depicts the entire setup projected onto the floor. The diamond shape represent the shadow created on the floor by the double cone, while the two lines emerging from point P1 and Q1 represent the show from by the two rails. They came together at the point O and at an angle of 2 degrees. G1, P1 and Q1 are projection of P and Q respectively.
Now I want to explain about the calculation. Calculation that we have to do is to find the volume of the double cone. Hence, the cone roll upfield, movement on plane, mass and centroid of double cone. This is a example. This is the calculation for the center of gravity, and this one is the calculation of volume using integration, and this one about the calculation of the moment xy. And lastly, calculation for the center of mass. And we get the final answer is centroid for double cone will be 27. Now I pass to my friend to I will show the video that I will do to this project. Okay, now I pass to my friend to continue our presentation.
Thank you. So for the result and discussion, the result we get to know that 0.07 is less than 0.185, and hence it's resulting the cone to roll uphill. Besides, we also able to calculate the volume of the cone, moment, mass, and the centroid of the cone. Then we get the centroid of the double cone is 27. So the discussion is when the wheel is placed on the lower end of inclined plane with the small heavy object placed in the position as seen in the video above, the wheel begins the wheel begins to turn and rolls up the inclined plane because its center of gravity has the possibility to move downwards by rolling the wheels upward at the same time. A double side cone is suspended on a split slope in this presentation. Since the cone center of mass will have a lower gravitational potential energy at the top of the incline, the cone rolls up the incline. So this is because there is a trade-off between divergence angle, rail inclination, and cone angle. The experiment must be set up perfectly to produce the climbing effect. So, lastly, the conclusion. We see the implication of the unique geometry of the system extend far beyond the simple conceptual explanation relying on a young trend of the CM. Despite the simplicity of the dynamical explanation in terms of the consequence of the cone's peculiar way of sitting on the ramp has revealed surprising properties. We hope that instructors of the introductory physics will be as charmed as we buy this demo and its rich physical content. For this reason, an object weight is directly related to the force imposed on it by Earth's gravity, which in turn cause it to fall. There are occasions when gravity can mislead us, as in the experiment illustrated above, but gravity is not. So uh, this is the presentation for our group. Thank you for other group members and goodbye.